Welcome to my channel. My name is Taj. Today we'll be making ice cream cake. It's very easy to make. And it tastes delicious. Let's get started. We need chocolate wafer, hazelnut chocolate spread, dark chocolate, condensed milk, heavy whipping cream. Let's get started. First, we crush the chocolate wafer until we have fine crumbs. Now we prepare the pan. We put the crushed wafer. And now we press to make the crust. And now we place the chocolate wafer around the pan. We place the pan in the fridge until we make the filling. For the ice cream filling, put heavy whipping cream. We mix it until we have a soft peak. Now we put condensed milk. And now we put hazelnut chocolate spread. We mix all the ingredients until they combine. The ice cream filling is ready. I took the pan out of the fridge. And now we put the ice cream filling in the pan. We decorate the ice cream cake. We sprinkle some chocolate on top. And this is optional. And now we place the ice cream cake in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours or until it's set. Took it out of the freezer. Wow, it looks amazing. It's time to taste. Yummy, it tastes delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.